I just wanna make you mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine.
So we're in Lowe's. It's pretty loud. I'm gonna have my mouth like super close to the camera. As I was walking up, I seen this lady with like a massive amount of clearance plants. So I think there's clearance in here, or either the plants are just croaking. But I've heard that you could actually take plants that are not in good condition to customer service and, you know, get you a nice little discount. But here are the new succulent planters here at Lowe's. They look like summer edition, right? Oh. I'm in Gastonia, and I don't know, the pollen is just different from Charlotte to Gastonia. I swear it is. Pretty. They're all reaching for the sunlight. Okay, so yeah, here's the succulents. Look at that. Did somebody stick those in there? I don't know. It looks like it has string of bananas coming out of it. So they have some large like floor plants here, all different kinds. The philodendron looks amazing. And they have these ponytail palms, really nice. I think they're all $15, yeah. $15.98. So here is what the other side of the store is looking like. Let me get a thumbnail. Let's check these out over here. These are like this is the Urban Jungle Live Trend section. It's definitely jam-packed, but I feel like they're all plants that I'm used to seeing. There's some moss just chilling, hanging out there. Let's put you down there. Or, it looks like you might go right there. Look at the little baby coming in. This is pretty. $15.98. I don't have one like this at home, but it's not in good enough condition, or it's just not a good enough price. Then we have hanging planters up here, golden pothos, elephant ears. Let me see. Oh, I forgot the other side. They have those nice planters. I like those right there. I think this is a bromeliad. That's cute. I haven't seen these in a small planter. Some global green, anthuriums, peperomias, dragon's fingers. Ooh, this is pretty. Prayer plants. $26.98. I actually just bought some rainbow moss from another Lowe's, but this one looks really good. Like it would hang really well. So we have some more ivies up there and golden pothos. Yeah. Oh, I hope they weren't talking about me. Those two guys that work here. I can't even like give you an overview of what's here. You're just gonna have to look because it's all jumbled up And it's windy, so I feel like a lot of the plants like fell over. But Dracaenas, oh, they're all 15. So these are the $15 plants with some decorative ones stuffed in there.
Especially if they were bigger.
They do have the white bird of paradise for $30. I think I need to hold you closer to my mouth. Let's look over here. Large floor plants ranging from $20 to $30. That was one of the guys I think that was talking about me. So he's probably like trying to figure out what I'm doing or what I'm saying. Or maybe he's just not even worried about me. Ooh. Oh, that's a dried out rainbow moss. They don't have any Hoyas, which I'm pretty like confused about. But I do think Hoyas are more like Hoyas are more like succulents, so I do find them in like more warmer climates. Some spiderwort. I don't know, is that a Hoya? Who knows, but it's very, very heavy. And it doesn't have an identification card on it. Which has been happening a lot, especially with the Hoyas. Like I can never really identify who's who. Lemon lime philodendron. Sevy blue. Or Baltic blue. Baltic blue. Baltic blue. Sevy blue, I think, is like, or Cebu or whatever, is the one that has the silver look to it. More hanging planters. Really pretty Ingrid ivy. And the white and Fittonia. This is beautiful. Those are so pretty. Like, how could you not love this? Perfect. It's so perfect. It looks like a vein or like human, like, I don't know. It's so perfect. Of course, we have our wick and grow over here. We do have the purple waffle down there, some dark mystery over here. So there are like lots of low light, high light, medium light options. I'm just questioning, like I'm very much questioning the wick and grow collection. I feel like they're the plants that everybody already has or that everybody already grew, or the plants that nobody wants to grow. I don't know. Comment below, what do you think? Do you find yourself buying the wick and grow plants? I feel like I only buy them if they're like what would I say? Like a trailing plant, something trailing. They're good because you know they're gonna grow fast. A new shipment in front of us. Raven ZZ, watermelon, peperomias, different types of ivies. May the camera focus. There we go. Raven ZZs, watermelon, peperomias, different types of ivies. Probably this will be a voiceover because I feel like it's just like extremely loud in here. So loud. Ooh. This ZZ is like in the process of turning colors. It's so pretty.